Take your middle finger and your thumb and wrap them around your wrist. If they overlap, you've been told you're a hard gainer. You've been told you'll never look dangerous. But what if I told you that thin wrists are actually an optical multiplier that can make your arms look twice as big? Most people chase 20-inch biceps to hide their frame. They are fighting a losing battle against their own skeleton. But a hero doesn't fight his frame. He masters the taper. It's called the Popeye effect. While the world sleeps on forearm training, we are going to build the hammer that makes the handle look lethal. The first secret to destroying the skinny look is the brachioradialis. This muscle runs from your elbow to your wrist. If this is flat, your arm looks like a stick. To grow this, you need vertical instability. The move: towel pull-ups. Throw a towel over the bar and grip it with everything you have. The unstable grip forces your forearms to fire at 100% capacity just to keep you from shaking. 3 sets to failure. But don't just hang there, because if you ignore the underside of your arm, you're just building a facade. Stick with me, because we're about to add the meat that fills the sleeve. To build real thickness, we attack the flexors. Most people do basic curls and wonder why they stay small. We use the gymnast's secret: the false grip. Curl your entire wrist over the bar and hang with straight arms. You are supporting your entire body weight purely on your flexors. It is brutal, but it creates a vice grip that signals dominance instantly. Size is nothing without detail. We want that dense, steel cable look. The move: fingertip push-ups. Rise onto your fingertips and imagine you are trying to claw through the floor. This builds massive density in your tendons and makes your veins look like a roadmap of your discipline. I'm giving you a 7-day blueprint. 100 towel grip squeezes, 2 minutes of dead hangs, and 0 excuses. Do this for 7 days, and watch how people start looking at your hands differently. Genetics is the excuse of the weak. Execution is the language of the hero. Comment hammer if you're starting today. Subscribe to JFit Hero, or stay average. The choice was always yours.